Looking for ways to revitalize your garden design? Revamping your garden is a great way to breathe new life into your outdoor space. It's more than just planting new flowers. It's about creating a space that reflects your personality. Stay tuned as we dive into the steps of garden revitalization. First off, assess what you currently have in your garden. Identifying existing plants, features, and conditions is crucial. Consider sunlight, soil type, and your garden's overall theme. This understanding forms the foundation for future plans. Once you have a clear understanding of your garden, you can proceed to the next step. Now it's time to plan your design. Consider the existing conditions and your personal preferences. Envision a variety of plants, colors, and textures to create a vibrant garden. Remember, diversity is the key to a lively outdoor space. With a solid plan in place, you can start the transformation process. Now comes the exciting part, implementing your design. This stage involves repositioning existing plants and introducing new ones to breathe life into your vision. Don't forget to incorporate decorative elements to add personality and charm. Wherever possible, opt for eco-friendly materials to ensure your garden isn't just beautiful, but also kind to the environment. Remember, the transformation won't happen overnight. It's a labor of love that requires patience and creativity. With these qualities, you can transform your garden into a personal oasis. Revitalizing your garden design can be a fun and rewarding process. Just to recap, we started by assessing the current state of our garden, taking note of what's working and what needs improvement. Next, we moved on to planning the design, sketching out our ideas and imagining the possibilities. The final step was the fun part, implementing our design, watching as our vision came to life. The real satisfaction comes from creating a personal outdoor space that reflects your unique style. It's an expression of who you are, and it's something you can enjoy every day. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.